I'm here to fix a little issue that pretty much anybody who races Mini Z's has, and that is the issue of during the race, you get in a little crash, bump the wall wrong or whatever, and your body ends up popped off like that, or just completely flying off. And to combat that, most people will just get some tape across here, and call it a day. Problem with that is tape sometimes will roll up on the bottom, rubbing on the ground. It will come off. Doesn't look that cool, for whatever reason. So I've developed these little clips. Currently have them for the Joe Marima body. We have them also for this body, which is the Jaguar LM body. And I also have for the C9 body. The way you use these is quite simple. I'm going to show you how they fit on without the chassis first. So you have the two clips. They are set for specific sides. So this little clip thing right here is going to go towards the back. You want the long pin to go in front of this. The other two little ones go in these little slots. So when you build these bodies, make sure you don't put too much glue in these little slots. Otherwise, you're going to have a bad day. So what you're going to do is you're going to kind of push down, slide it in, and it will click in a little bit. And then the other one is for the other side. You're just going to slide down, click in a little bit. To remove them, all you have to do is grab this back, pull it up a little bit, and it should pop right out. Now, I'm going to show you with it on the body. So now, what you're going to do is with the body on, you'll notice there's little bumps right there and right there. So you're going to get the clip that is going to go inside. You're going to do it just like I showed. And it's going to clip on, let's see, right there, like that. It'll snap into place, and then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Click. That is all is needed. So now you can't pull this body off. The body will not pop off. You can get hit a million times, body won't come off. I've had many racers use these, and hundreds of hours, probably cumulatively, and with no problems, and every one of them seems to really like them. So that's how you're going to do that. Now, this works the same no matter the body. So on my LM, I have the same kind of clips. The geometry is different, so there's specific clips for the body. And this is all it takes for me to put it on. So when I'm getting ready for a race, I just clip these in before the race, and we're ready to go. The C9 body, slightly different. You'll notice I have a front clip also for the C9. That helps to keep the front from popping out. I had an issue where the front would pop out, and so that's what that fixes. But the clips clip on just the same. Now, currently my C9 is set up for my all-wheel drive car. It unfortunately doesn't work with the all-wheel drive cars. It only works with the MR-04 and I believe the MR-03, and it should work with a AAA car that is based on the MR-04, the Evo chassis, the two-wheel drive Evo chassis also. So if you like it, I have them in my store for sale right now. They're only $5. We have where you can get a set of 3 with free shipping. Otherwise, it's like $5 to ship also. So thanks.